Hello everyone, I am Mo and you are welcome back to my channel and I hope you all are doing good. Today I will share my worst purchases of 2025. Products that did not work out for me. If they worked out for you, let me know in the comment section. I will be happy. आपका पैसा वसूल हो गया. लेकिन मेरा नहीं हुआ ना. I purchased those products for review purpose and for my personal use. If I cannot finish them, not a good thing for me, right? वीडियो अच्छा लगेगा, हेल्पफुल लगेगा तो लाइक कीजिएगा एंड काइंडली सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल इफ you want to hear only honest reviews. Starting with these two hair products from Schwarzkopf. They are freeze-away hair mask and they are freeze-away hair oil. The mask is a basic one, pretty basic. At least for that price, it didn't do much. I have tried other hair masks that perform better than this and much cheaper. On the other hand, the oil is very lightweight, almost watery, but it makes my hair oily. Rather चिपकू. It weights down my curls so they don't form properly. सब मिला के लगता है कि मेरे हेयर में कोई वॉल्यूम ही नहीं है. I bought this leave-in conditioner from Shea Moisture at the end of 2024 और मैंने बहुत कोशिश किया कि मैं at least half इसको ख़त्म कर पाऊँ last year because it was a costly purchase for me. But I couldn't. It did nothing to my hair, but the main reason I couldn't use it, it broke me out. This is probably the worst smelling body lotion I ever used. And how dare they put that much fragrance in a product made for babies? The texture is very good, but ये स्मेल मैं हैंडल नहीं कर पाती हूँ. सुपर डिफाइनिंग कर्ल क्रीम फ्रॉम मॉक्सी ब्यूटी. इट्स अ गुड प्रोडक्ट बट आई एम नॉट द suitable customer for this one. It is way too rich for my hair. People with extremely curly hair and thick hair will enjoy this one. Mighty Hair Oil from Moxie Beauty. It's a new purchase and I already started thinking how to finish it. Way too thick for my preference and I need a lot of shampoo to wash it off and it doesn't do much. I mean, my other cheaper hair oils work better than this one. Black Rice Probiotic Barrier Essence from Haru Haru. If I'm not wrong, this product is responsible for that. Because I used it every day, that also day and night both. Why did I do that? Maybe I wanted to finish it anyhow by this winter. It's way too rich for me for summertime use, even for monsoon or spring. And the quantity is huge. If you like it, good thing for you. But for me, मैं finish कैसे करूँ इसको? Saccharomyces Ferment Milky Toner by Ordinary is probably the most controversial product on my channel. Because this reel got maximum thumbs down. Means people are enjoying it. I just couldn't stand out this. My nose couldn't handle the smell and my skin cannot tolerate it 3 days back to back. मैं acne को आने में रोक ही नहीं पाती हूँ. Although my skin is well tolerated with fermented products, I think now my skin cannot handle the combination milky and multiple fermentation or extreme fermentation. That's the main reason these two products didn't work out for my skin. Multi-active delivery essence from The Ordinary. It's not a bad product. I just think it is not a necessary launch from them. It is mainly made for boosting the efficacy of their niacinamide serum, which is already an efficient product. Could be irritating for some people if your skin cannot handle 10% niacinamide concentration. तो अमीर को और ज़्यादा अमीर करने की क्या ज़रूरत है? You can definitely use it for boosting efficacy of other actives, but I think Korean First Treatment essences work far better than this one. Hydra Milk by Fay Beauty. A mattifying creamy toner that exaggerates my pores. My skin looks like beehive with full of छेद. इतने भी नहीं है. See, I enjoy creamy toners because for my skin they work like a lightweight moisturizer that adds more hydration than normal moisturizers. My pores look less visible, my skin look well hydrated. It does exactly the opposite. If you are a long time follower, you should know how much I love TM toners. But their exfoliating one falls flat, rather dives down. A watery toner that does nothing to my skin. Not enough hydration, exfoliation भी क्या देता है? I doubt. My husband uses this one. Like AHA, BHA सब कुछ है. चलो लगा लेते हैं. लेकिन उस चेहरे पे भी मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं दिख रहा है. Snail Hydrogel Eye Patch from Cosrx. It slips down. For not slipping it down, you have to sleep it down. And then it irritates my eyes. Then what is the point of using an eye patch? You know I love this creamy toner from Hyphen, but the moisturizer, there is no way I can finish it. Although I enjoy it as an eye cream, very good because it's nourishing but very lightweight, fast absorbing. But I am a human, I have only 2 eyes and I cannot use it on my face. Because इससे मुझे ऐसे ऐसे जगह से एक्ने आए हैं जो मैं कभी सोच भी नहीं सकती. Another fails from Hyphen, their vitamin infused peptide dew prep. मैंने 3-4 बार मैक्स टू मैक्स इसको यूज़ किया है, ऑल्दो इट हैज़ अ वेरी लग्जूरियस मिल्की टेक्सचर, बट प्रोबेबली नॉट फॉर माई डिहाइड्रेटेड स्किन. 2-3 घंटे के बाद ना माई स्किन लुक्स वे मोर डिहाइड्रेटेड. मुझे डिहाइड्रेशन लाइन्स दिखते हैं. मे बी इट विल वर्क गुड अंडरनीथ मेकअप, बट ऑन इट्स ओन. Moisturizing Balm Toner from Belief, a creamy toner with alcohol as second ingredient, then multiple essential oils and multiple perfuming agents, then 50 ml available at that price. Texture is good. I really want to enjoy while application, but back of my mind, the ingredient list haunts me. Sake and Miracle Brightening Serum from Clayco. It broke me out. How unfortunate, because it has all my favorite ingredients like sake, tremella mushroom, chaga mushroom. If it works for you, you should go for it. Could be your well-aging potion. Hydro Boost Enzyme Cleansing Balm for Chitter. I don't know what should I call it, balm or cream. Inside refrigerator, it looks like balm. In normal temperature, it looks like cream. So not travel friendly. Little bit of product cleansed me well and broke me well. And I can literally smell coconut oil here. So not for congestion prone skin. Gentle hydrating creamy face wash by Pink Foundry. मुझे ना ये एकदम अच्छा नहीं लगा. First of all, I don't like the finish after I rinse my face. और ना मेरे acne इसको भाव ही नहीं देते हैं. As if they are saying, तो कितना भी कुछ कर ले, हम यही रहेंगे, कहीं नहीं जाएंगे, ये हमारा बाल भी बाका नहीं कर पाएगा. फिजिकल सनस्क्रीन्स फ्रॉम एक्सिस वाई एंड स्किन 104. एज यूजुअल मुझे मिल नहीं रहा है, बट आई लुक लाइक अ पीची घोस्ट विद दिस वन, एंड माई स्किन लुक्स कुपोषित और malnutritious विद दिस वन. बट आई हेट देम. मतलब दे आर ऑलमोस्ट फुल. मेरे हस्बैंड भी इस पे हाथ नहीं लगाते हैं. I don't understand why Korean brands are that much reluctant with their physical formulas. Look at their chemical formulas, reaching towards heaven, and physical formulas towards gutter. ये serum नहीं है, sunscreen ही है. Physical sunscreen from Indie Wild. First of all, the application is more like oil with some physical filters. The white cast goes away pretty quick because the concentration of zinc oxide and titanium dioxide is not that high, so I'm quite doubtful about the sun protection. और क्वांटिटी तो देखो, एप्लीकेशन के ऊपर इतने ज्ञान तो झाड़ते हो और फिर 30 ml की क्वांटिटी देते हो. स्वीट एस्केप परफ्यूम बॉडी लोशन बाय एम कैफेन. स्मेल्स गुड बट ब्लेंडिंग. ये पूरा वीडियो शायद आप देख सकते हो उसको ब्लेंड करते करते. इट्स नॉट इनफ मॉइस्चराइजिंग फॉर विंटर एंड नॉट एज लाइट वेट एज समर. तो इधर का भी नहीं, उधर का भी नहीं. ब्राइटनिंग लिप बाम फ्रॉम डीकंस्ट्रक्ट. ये और कुछ नहीं, बस एक मोमबत्ती है. इसको लगाइए या जलाइए, कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता. लिप या नसीब, किसी में कोई ब्राइटनेस नहीं लाता. डॉक्टर टोनर बाय राउंड लैब. Why people are dancing over it? It's a basing, refreshing, slightly hydrating toner that does nothing than adding little bit of hydration. Brightening, soothing, calming, texture refining. कौन सा सपना बेच रहे हो? Mugwort mask from Armfrom. This product taught me first use sample. Even if you enjoy other products from the same range. I used it only twice, then threw the entire mask so that I can at least utilize the dabba for my kitchen. It gave me horrible itchy rashes that covered my face like a blanket. Milk Skin Toner by Titir, the lighter version. It is very much like a non-glamorous but expensive version of BOJ Rice Toner. Same texture, same consistency. But BOJ offers me a healthy, plump, bright finish, and this one makes my skin dull. I mean, this is how my skin reacted with this one. I have few fragrances left and I will go through them very quickly. First, Amethyst Love by Naseem. I like the DNA, although it is not for everyone, but I really hate the performance. It opens up very loud, I would say a little suffocating, but within 15 minutes में ना वो performance छलांग लगा के नीचे गिरता है और मर जाता है. And I don't like the formula. Alcohol free, water based. People are saying it's lotiony. I think it's straight greasy. Vanilla EDT by The Body Shop. Why spending 1000 on 30 ml, that also a basic vanilla perfume, when EDT and Body Mist perform same? 1 से 1.5 घंटे का फर्क रहता है. Gucci Flora Gorgeous Jasmine. Beautiful Gucci Flora DNA with अगरबत्ती like jasmine. और ये वो बोल रही है who is mad about jasmine fragrances. If you really want, spend on the original. Last but not least, Victoria by Latafa. Yes, it smells like lemon pudding or maybe lemon pastry with a yellow flower on top for garnishing. If you like, go for it. I don't like it. I mean, I don't find myself or anyone in front of me appealing when they smell edible. A human smell like cake? Sounds like making out with a cake. I like them on plate, not on my bed. I hate the opening because it's not just zesty, it's spicy and zesty. The dry down is much better, but I have to say it's not too girly. It's not at all a girly fragrance. It has a vintage and slightly matured vibe. And that's all. कैसा लगा? बोलना मत भूलिएगा. See you soon in my next video. Till then,